Okay, my name is Dusti Bowling and I'm a writer. I write both middle grade books and chapter books for children. I have lived in Arizona most of my life, and Arizona greatly inspires my stories. I live currently in a very small town in Arizona near the New Mexico border called Eager, and I have a farm there. And on my farm, I have a cow dog named Tub. I have a pregnant pig named Miss Pris. I have 2 cows, one who's about to have a baby. I have 2 guinea pigs and 15 chickens. And we love living on the farm, and who knows, maybe I'll write some farm stories one day. But if you want to know more about my books, I love to write them set in the Arizona desert, like this one, Across the Desert, and this one, The Canyon's Edge. And I also write books about a character named Avon Green who was born without arms, and she does everything with her feet, including playing instruments and solving mysteries and baking and, oh my gosh, what else?
That's a minute.
Okay.
Well done.